What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl, Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell everybody, tell your partners and them, because we're lady over here. And without further ado, y'all. Just a little something. I had ordered y'all a niece. I forgot, but basically I had ordered me a little something, so I didn't have to pay for like shipping or lose out on shipping, because you know when you order from the expressway, you might as well just like order, you know, just enough so you don't get taxed. So yeah, I think I did your niece's unboxing thing in another video or so. Hold on, let me see what's this. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna throw this stuff away once I go. Of course, nail charms, and what are they? The Labubus. Y'all, I just got hip to the Labubu stuff, girl. Y'all, I'm lost to the sauce. I think I'm officially auntie age, because I don't be knowing what be going on. Like, I literally just got hit about the Labubu stuff, so I don't know, y'all. Let me know, where did the Labubu come from? Because I was, you know, on social media one day, and it was just Labubu this, Labubu that, and I was like, oh, okay. I mean, they cute, but I just don't know where they came from. And then I see you can put, like, designer clothes and stuff on them. It's just giving definitely, like, new generation Barbie vibes. You know, back in the day, Barbies, you could dress Barbie up and all that extra stuff. So, let's see. Y'all, I thought this was cute. Y'all know I got a black one. That's a bigger version. Oh, here we go. A bigger version. This is smaller. I thought it was cute because y'all know I got silver Crocs, like metallic. And I just think metallic is so cute, and then it has the gold, but this is supposed to be the Expressway's dupe of the Chanel 25, the hobo bucket bag or something. And this is supposed to be in the small size. I think the other size I have is like medium or large. And this is cute. Just something to toss, you know, toss on the shoulder. You could carry this. You see the inside is very small. Got a pocket on this side. Yeah, very small. So you could just carry this on your shoulder. And I like how it is. And I could just wear this with my silver Crocs when I just want to do something pretty simple. Y'all know me, I'm a Croc girl. So I used to be the one that used to be like, I hate Crocs, they're ugly, whoever wears them, they're just not fashion forward. Now look at me now, wearing Crocs. Colors, themes, all types of stuff. So yeah, y'all, that is definitely cute. And just the size, it definitely looked like the one I had that actually had the CC. This is more like OO. But it's cute though. I ain't feel like going downstairs, I would have showed y'all my Crocs, because they're literally this metallic color. So yeah, this is cute. Oh yeah, can't wait. You know, I definitely feel like I'm in my auntie vibe, because I'm starting to bring back the bigger purses. You know, like the vintage Coach duffel bag, bucket bag purses. Y'all, I was in my little medium, extra small purse size bag. Now y'all, my allergies messing with me now. I want the big purses. And then y'all broke down and got a Labubu. But it's not like the other ones I see. And this probably ain't even like the real kind. This is from the Expressway. Everything in this video is from the Expressway. I seen this. I said, oh, it's cute. It's purple. Let me see. Okay. It's purple. Cute. Oh, I don't know. It says Pop Mark on it. I guess that's who sells it. The monster. I don't know, y'all. I got this. I thought it was cute. It was purple, simple. It didn't look like everybody else's. Something small. Something small. So yeah, y'all, that's my little haul. My 2 little boo-boo items. Y'all see the little boo-boo nail charms? Definitely can't wait to do something with these in my little boo-boo. And my little purse. This is cute. Alright, hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.